How to change your avatar in Phemex. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Personalizing your Phemex profile with a custom avatar is a simple way to make your account feel more unique. If you want to change your avatar in Phemex, go ahead and open the Phemex application and log into your account first. Once you're logged in, go to the upper left corner and tap on the human icon. Now, after you do that, you'll come across this page where you'll need to tap on your avatar at the top left. On the next page, select Avatar from the top, and in the pop-up at the bottom, you can choose the default avatar you like from the bottom menu, and your avatar will be changed from the available options. If you want to upload your own photo, then simply go ahead and tap on Take a Picture and take a picture of yourself using your device's camera. Don't forget to allow access for Phemex to take pictures and record video on your device. Now you'll be able to open up this camera page. Here you can go ahead and take a selfie. If you want to upload an existing photo from your camera roll, then instead of tapping on Take a Picture, tap on Upload Photo. Allow necessary access to your camera or your gallery and select a picture you'd like to use. Now tap on Done. Go ahead and adjust the picture within the frame and then click Confirm. And you'll be able to upload your very own profile picture as your avatar. So there you have successfully learned how to change your avatar or your profile picture in Phemex application. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.